ready to turn those Temu earnings into real-life cash. Let's dive into a quick and easy guide on how to cash out your hard-earned rewards. First things first, open your Temu app and look for the U icon located at the bottom center or right corner of your screen. Tap on it. This is your personal hub. Now, on the U page, find the option that says Earn Credits and Free Gifts. It might also be labeled as Refer and Earn. Click on that, it's where the magic happens. This page displays your current earnings balance. Look for a button or section that specifically says Withdraw, Cash Out, or shows your available balance with a clear indication of withdrawal options. You'll now see your withdrawal options. Temu usually offers choices like PayPal, direct bank transfer, or even gift cards. Select your preferred method. For example, if you prefer PayPal, click on the PayPal option. If you're using PayPal, you'll be prompted to log into your PayPal account. If you're opting for a bank transfer, you'll need to enter your bank details accurately, including your account number and routing number. Double-check everything. Next, you'll see a confirmation screen summarizing your withdrawal request. It will show the amount you're withdrawing and your chosen withdrawal method. Make sure everything is correct. Then click on the Confirm button. And that's it. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your withdrawal request has been successfully submitted. The message will also tell you the approximate processing time, so keep an eye on your PayPal account or bank statement.